Welcome to Science. We are on pages 136 and 137. Changes in the lithosphere. Have you ever imagined the place where you live before people lived there? There would be no trace of human life, no buildings, highways, houses, gardens, or farms. So, what would there have been? Since humans became sedentary and the population started to grow, the natural landscape has been transformed. The effects humans have on the lithosphere only become bigger and bigger. Since the emergence of agriculture and later the large scale constructions of buildings, the soil on Earth has undergone great changes. Read about the most relevant changes below. Urban expansion. Building a city stops the use and formation of new soil. This decreases the ability of the land to absorb rain as well as the ability for new plants to grow. Soil compaction. Have you ever noticed that the ground is harder on trails than in other places? This is because as many people and the animals move over the soil, they compact it. This means that the pores and holes in the ground, homes to microorganisms and small animals, disappear. Illegal garbage dumps. This type of dump is not built in a proper way, so they attract rodents and insects and cause foul odors. They also cause the soil and groundwater in the area to become polluted by decomposing organic matter and heavy metals. How can we protect the lithosphere? Some measures to protect the lithosphere and the soil in particular are listed below. Respect or improve city planning. Each country has regulations or laws about where and how buildings can be constructed. This is one way to control the use of natural areas and at the same time satisfy the needs of the community. Build sanitary landfills. These are garbage dumps that are built to meet the environmental laws and are permanently controlled to avoid pollution. Recycle so that there is less waste. Substitute pesticides such which pollute soil for biological pest control. This involves using the natural enemies of the organisms that attack crops. For example, ladybugs can be used to control aphids because they eat them.